Hello YouTube, it's Jomari React and welcome to my channel. So, Nukes Top 5 scary ghost videos that make you throw your phone. So, wag natin patagalin to, umpisahan na natin ang katatakutan.
Top 5 ghosts caught on camera. Hiding in the closet. This next video was sent in by a viewer, and it's one of those rare paranormal stories that's been around on YouTube for a decade, but not many people have ever seen it.
Lumang-luma na yung
In
YouTube
fact, in over 10 years, this channel has only gotten 66 subscribers and very few views. So, let's get into it. Back in February 2011, YouTube user Steph posts a series of videos to document the creepy paranormal activity that she says she often experiences in her house's basement. But even as she tries to simply introduce her channel, things get a bit weird.
Hi everyone, my name is Steph. I live in New York, and I just wanted to do a little bit of an introduction to my channel, Steph's Basement 89. Basically, I think my house is haunted, which I know sounds silly, and I still feel kind of silly saying it, but I guess I shouldn't. We figured out that about the start of the new year of this year was when things started to happen. It's mostly in the basement, but right?
Sa totoo lang, haunted talaga ang basement kasi yan yung yan yung lugar ng bahay mo na minsan mo lang siya puntahan. Kasi kumbaga ang nakalagay lang diyan mga lumang gamit. Pero sa kanila kasi parang ginagawa din nilang mga parang sala, yung mga ganon. Pero hindi kasi natatauhan kasi ang basement eh. Kaya nagiging haunted eh.
Did you, or are you f***ing with me?
Someone standing in the doorway.
Hmm?
I saw it.
Oh.
Someone standing in the doorway.
Can you
Ano ko?
don't go far?
I'm gonna look at it. I'm gonna check it out.
So as I'm f***ing recording to you, pardon my language, I feel like I just saw someone standing in the doorway, and so did he. No one, right?
No. That was definitely
Mm-hmm.
something. That was definitely-
Oh. May mga kumakaluskos na eh. Ayan oh.
Sounds like someone walking around.
Mm-hmm. Okay. We'll be back. But yeah, this is the introduction, a pretty good introduction to my channel.
Hindi ko marinig yung sinasabi niya na someone is walking around. May naglalakad-lakad daw sa bahay niya. Wala akong masyadong naririnig eh. Pero yung kaluskos, yung mga pagbagsak ng mga gamit, yun, rinig na rinig yun.
Channel,
Grabe to.
and freaking out a little bit right now, but that's okay. Hope you enjoy. Bye.
Steph and her roommate Sam both claim to see something off camera, and we can hear strange noises in the background, but of course all of this could easily be faked. But trust me, things are gonna get much creepier.
Pwede talagang ma-fake yun kasi hindi naman kasi nakikita eh. Kung talagang may nahuhulog, yung talagang makukuhanan ng video. Pwede kasi yun eh. Pero ewan na lang natin. Continue natin.
In this next video, we head down to what Steph alleges is the most haunted area of her home, the basement. Steph's little dog Bella seems a bit freaked out by something in the basement closet.
So normally when I come home from work, my dog Bella will come running to the door to greet me or whatever, and I just came home and she didn't do that, and it ends up she's down here in the basement just obsessing over this closet door. She's never done this before. It looks as if she's waiting for it to open, or she thinks there's someone behind it. Where it's like she acts like she's acting how she does when she wants to get into one of the rooms upstairs. But she hasn't acknowledged me at all since I came home, which is very weird. Bella.
Yan, lalo na pag may alaga ka pang hayop. Yan, malakas ang pakiramdam nila pagdating sa mga ganyan eh, yung mga entity. Yan. Yan na, talagang maniniwala ka talaga dyan.
She's not even answering to her name. I'm just gonna open it. If I go pull it. See, baby, there's nothing there. There's nothing there. There's nothing in there, crazy lady. Well, it's dark, but as you could probably see, there's no one in the closet, thank God. See, baby, there's nothing there, lady. Nothing, okay? Oh, she's back to sniffing it again. It's freaking me out. Come on, let's go upstairs.
Over the next month, Steph experiences random noises from the basement and even some unnerving sightings of what she believes to be a supernatural apparition. She sets up a camera to record her basement room, specifically the closet. Her recordings capture many hours of, well, nothing. But then, late one Friday night, this happens.
Tingnan natin kung talagang meron dyan. Oh. Imposibleng may tao dyan sa loob para bumukas yung pinto. Kung maliit lang yung closet na yan, kitang-kita naman kung may tao sa loob eh.
As Steph's friend Reese is casually sitting in the basement one night checking her phone, the closet door just pops open on its own. Now, Reese is a skeptic and doesn't believe the basement to be haunted at all. But still, we see her make a tiptoeing dash right out of the room, and we can hear her run up the stairs. So she definitely seems spooked. So now, we cut to one night where Steph and her friend Rochelle are hanging out as it gets close to the midnight hour. Steph decides to record a quick video for her roommate who is away on a trip. What she catches on camera is absolutely terrifying.
Videotaping?
Yeah, for Stan.
I did. I won't break them.
Michelle's getting like really good at the drums.
Parang may
She
nakatayo
might have
dun.
some competition like really good at the drums.
Oh, may iron nga. Isa pa.
Michelle's getting like really good at the drums.
Ayun oh.
So you might have some competition when you get back. We love you. We'll see you soon.
Did you see it?
Yes.
As Steph pans her camera by the open closet door, it looks as if an older woman in a white gown is just standing there, watching. When Steph pans back seconds later, no one there. So did Steph capture real paranormal activity in her basement? And just what happened after this? Well, we'll never know, because you see, Steph hasn't posted to her YouTube channel since these creepy incidents 10 years ago. If you see a video that you think would be perfect for the top 5, or if you have a ghost hunting channel and you caught something great, contact me at nukestop5@gmail.com. What remains?
Yun lang, wala na tayong balita kung ano yung nangyari na after nung video na yon. Kahit si, yun nga, sabi nga ni Nukes, hindi niya inaalam kung ano nangyari. Pero nakakatakot din yun kasi unang-una, parang pakiramdam ko lang yung closet na yon napakaliit lang eh. Kasi kung may may magbubukas ng pinto, kitang-kita sa video. Pero yun nga, may nagpakitang babae doon sa loob ng closet, malamang ay entity yun. Tapos biglang nawala. Kasi mahirap naman din magtago doon kung maliit yun. Malamang sa malamang, entity yun.
YouTuber and paranormal skeptic El Cubo Oficial was contacted by a homeowner who invited him to investigate strange paranormal activity in a house in Mexico. Years ago, the property the house sits on was a guava orchard. When land developers dug up the orchard, they were shocked to find the unexplained remains of 2 bodies buried in the orchard fields.
Oh.
One of the bodies was that of a young girl. A house was later built on this land, and the family living there has experienced nothing but terrifying supernatural activity. They say things move on their own. They hear the unexplained whispers of a child, and they've even seen the ghostly apparition of a young girl walking the hallways. Eventually, the family just decided to leave the house. But the homeowner, Pipa, now claims that the house is so haunted that no one will buy it.
Wala
El
talagang
Cubo
bibili niyan.
Oficial agrees to investigate the allegedly haunted home. He is accompanied by paranormal investigator Paco Santin, psychic medium Aureli, and the home's owner, Pipa.
Kahit ako, di ko bibilin yan eh. Itsura pa lang nung bahay, creepy na eh. Tapos yun nga, mayroon pa palang nahukay dyan na dalawang baga kalansay na. Ay, hindi kahit na sino, hindi talaga bibilin yan.
The investigation is streamed live to YouTube as the group enters the house and begins their investigation.
Niña,
No mames, aquí no son cuatro, pero sí, sí.
¿dónde?
Sí, aquí por el pasillo atrás de Paco, aquí, para el cuarto este.
¿Acá?
Ano lang yung salitang niña, ibig sabihin nun, batang babae. Pag lalaki, ninyo. Yan. Salitang Espanyol o Spanish.
Sí.
¿Quieres usar esta?
No, con esta. Es más, guárdate esta, Paquito. ¿Me puedes dar tu lamparita?
Sí, sí, sí.
Guárdate esa.
Voy.
¡Ay, no mames!
Wait lang. Balik natin may
Sí,
salita
aquí.
eh.
¡Ay, no mames!
Voy.
¡Ay, no mames! Santi. Sí, hay algo aquí, güey. Aquí.
Comment nyo kung fake to or totoo. Yan, malaya ko yung mag-comment.
¿Dónde la escondiste, cabrón?
No, pues no hay nadie.
No te pases de verga, güey. Alguien, hay una niña aquí, te lo juro que sí dijo hola. ¡Hola! ¡Oh!
La puerta se cerró. Entonces, estamos aquí.
¡Oh!
De afuera.
Escucha, están caminando.
Ay, güey.
Hola, ¿estás aquí?
Wala naman naglalakad eh.
¡Ay, no mames!
Isa pa.
¡Ay, mames!
Klarado yun.
A tu culo, güey. ¿Hablaron, verdad?
Se oyó la voz de un...
¿Pero no es un vecino, Pipa?
No.
Oh.
Aquí está una niña, aquí está una presencia de una niña. Y está muy fuerte, ¿eh? Muy fuerte.
¿Hola?
Por eso le dice aquí, por favor.
No, tienes que aguantar.
¿Sabes, Pipa? Debe ser un vecino que traes, carnal.
Ah,
Sí,
Oye,
sí,
no.
a huevo. No, güey, no voy a decir que sea un vecino, güey.
No.
Chécate en la puerta.
Possible din to kung may malapit silang kapitbahay tapos merong bata. Possible din yun eh na pwedeng marinig yung salita eh. Pero dito kasi ang lapit lang eh. Kung sa kapitbahay naman yun, hindi ganun yung kalapit yung boses. Diba? Parang nandiyan nga lang yan eh sa paligid nila eh.
Chécate en la puerta. Están hablando, güey. Eso no es normal, güey.
Pipa claims that he sees something lurking at the back door, and then they all hear the voice of a child from somewhere within the house. Now, YouTuber El Cubo Oficial is a complete skeptic when it comes to the paranormal, so he believes that the others might simply be playing a prank on him. After looking around and checking the back door, he asks all of them to empty their pockets and leave their phones on a mattress sitting on top of a table.
Kumbaga, ginawa niya yan kasi hindi siya satisfied doon sa narinig niya eh. Kasi iniisip niya lang na baka pinaprank siya nito mga kasamahan niya. Diba? Kaya pinaiwan niya yung mga cellphone dyan. Tsaka tiningnan niya rin yung lugar. Eh, medyo malayo-layo yung kapitbahay.
This is to eliminate any chance that one of them might be simply playing a recording. At the exact moment that El Cubo Oficial is explaining to his live YouTube audience that he has a hard time believing in the paranormal, he captures something absolutely terrifying.
Pero se me hace difícil aceptar que hay una niña aquí. O sea, no es como... si quieren que sea honesto, yo escucho una persona viva. O sea, si quieren que sea honesto. Tlacuache, gracias por tu apoyo. Nos quedamos en silencio. En silencio.
Did you see it?
No.
Without knowing it, El Cubo captures the pale face of a young girl in the door's
Oh.
window right behind him. It's not until many minutes later that they read the live chat and discover what they just captured on camera. When they go through the door and look inside the room, there's no one there. So did they possibly capture the ghost of the young girl whose remains were found on the property?
Ulitin ko.
Or possibly capture the ghost of the
Ayan oh. Nakakatakot yan oh. Possible yan yun yung ano. Yan yung namatay dyan. Yung nahukay. Yan yun. Ayun oh. Ang puti nung mukha. Grabe. Takot to.
young girl whose remains were found on the property? Or is it all just an elaborate hoax?
Nakakatakot.
You decide. You can watch the full video with even more scary activity over on the YouTube channel El Cubo Oficial. Monster on the Wall. Caitlin Nichols is the proud mother of 2-year-old triplet girls and shares her journey from infertility to motherhood on TikTok and other social
pala yung anak
media.
niya.
Her TikTok is dedicated to sharing stories and videos of her 3 girls, and she has never posted anything related to the paranormal. That is, until one evening when the baby monitor in her children's bedroom captures something very creepy after the girls wake up from their nap.
Eto legit to. Bata eh. Hindi pwedeng magsinungaling yan. May nakikita sila oh.
The triplets are all watching and pointing at the exact same wall, and they seem to be talking to something that isn't there. Caitlin says that she has no idea what the girls saw and is unable to explain their odd behavior.
Yan yung
But
creepy
then,
talaga.
on another night at 3:40 a.m., her daughter Millie wakes up crying, scared of something on the exact same wall.
Ang mga multo na to walang magawa din eh. Pati mga inosenteng bata ginugulo eh. Dapat magparamdam sila doon sa mga taong kaya silang harapin. At hindi nila kaya harapin. Huwag naman. Hindi ko rin kakayanin. Ako yung klase ng tao na napakahilig ko sa katatakutan. Or yung mga ghost stories, napakahilig ko dyan. Pero kapag sa akin na nangyayari, hindi ko siya, kumbaga, hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya i-handle. Yung mga ganung bagay. Napakahilig ko. Pero yun nga, hindi ko siya kayang i-handle pag nangyayari na sa akin. Ay, nagising yung bata oh.
Little Millie sobs as she explains to her mother that she saw a monster on the wall in her room. So just what are the triplets seeing? Is it possible that they can see something that we can't? You can watch more videos of the girls' eerie and unsettling reactions over on Caitlin's TikTok page, 555 MPH, a triplet story.
Possible yun na talagang may nanggugulo dun sa magkakambal doon sa triplets. Kahit ako ang magulang nun, pag alam kong gano'n na yung reaction ng anak ko doon sa kwarto nila, di baling magtabi-tabi na lang kami. Huwag lang silang guluhin ng mga entity na yan. Yeah.
At a glance. Josh from the YouTube channel Other Studios reached out to me about a friend of his named Cody. Josh claims that Cody was alone in his house in Oxford, North Carolina one day when suddenly strange things began to happen. Lights begin to flicker and he can hear the sound of things being moved around in his home. Needless to say, Cody is pretty freaked out. But he takes out his phone and starts to record short videos of the strange events to send to his girlfriend.
Uy! Haunted tong tinutuluyan niya. Kasi nagpi-flicker yung ilaw, pati yung smoke detector, kita niyo naman. Diba? Nag-a-alarm. Pati yung ref. Diba? Nagpi-flicker din yung ilaw. Kaya gutom dito yung multo, naghahanap ng pagkain sa ref. Kaya nagpaparamdam dun sa ref niya. Siguro pagbukas ng multo, wow, daming pagkain. Baka naman.
Eventually, Cody has had enough and steps outside for just a few seconds to take a break from the crazy things happening in his house. After taking a moment to gather his courage, he starts recording again and steps back inside. What he captures is absolutely terrifying.
Uy, gulo-gulo na yung bahay niya, oh.
Nope.
Gulo-gulo na yung mga ano niya.
Cabinet doors have opened on their own and a chair has fallen over on its side. But most terrifying of all, a face can be seen staring at Cody from the top right corner of a doorway.
Oh.
Cody is shocked when he reviews his footage. To this day, Cody still has no idea what this horrifying face could be. So what do you think that is? You can watch the full video over on his YouTube channel, Other Studios, which despite the rather suspect sounding name, Josh claims is not a short film.
Ayan yung klase ng mukha na hindi ka patutulugin ngayong gabi. Ayan, oh. Oh, wala pang mata. Ang itim, oh. Puyat to. Kung saan sana naman to naggala.
Quote, studio channel. In point of fact, Josh has never uploaded anything other than this one video. Raid Shadow scratch that. The Raid. Now this next clip is another case where I've been unable to find the original source video, even after hours of searching. The video is in Portuguese and was posted to Reddit by user Mr. Miracle BR. He claims that he found the clip on Twitter where it was shared by a Brazilian police officer. The video allegedly shows a raid by law enforcement officers in Brazil. Now I have no way to verify the backstory on this one, but the clip is definitely very creepy.
Caralho, bicho, que é isso, mano? Cuidado, Judá. Cuidado, mano, que é isso, mano?
Uy!
Mano, não tem nada. Caralho,
Bukas-sara yung
mano,
pinto,
que é isso, bicho?
Bukas-sara.
Caralho, mano. Mano, que é isso, bicho?
Utang creepy niyan. Yan, hindi pwedeng pikein yan. Kasi, body cam yan eh, ng pulis eh. Yan, totoo yan. Nagbubukas-sara yung pinto. Kahit ako ang pulis, kikilabutan ako dyan.
Caralho, mano, bora, mano.
Oh, umalis na kayo dyan.
Vai, mano, vai, mano. Vai, mano, vai, mano. Vai, mano.
Oh.
Corre. Caralho, mano, que é isso, bicho?
A door violently opens and closes on its own, freaking out the team of men searching through what appears to be an abandoned building. But, did you see it?
No.
As the men run and the cameraman waits for the others to catch up, A horrifying face appears to quickly pop up from the edge of a door frame
Whoa.
before disappearing back inside. It happens so fast that only when the clip is slowed down can the face be seen emerging out of thin air.
Ayun, oh.
But is it real? Or is it all just a very elaborate hoax? You decide. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please follow me on Instagram here and on Twitter right there. See you next week.
Grabe, nakakatakot yung ano ngayon yung mga videos ni Nyok Top 5 ah. Ang nakakatakot kasi doon yung sa yung sa bahay. Tsaka itong pulis na parang may raid silang gagawin eh. Yung nagbubukas sara yung pinto tapos pag takbo nila may nakitang sumilip na muka. Mas lalo na doon sa isang clip na ganun din, sumilip yung muka. Ang masakit kasi doon, ginulugulo yung bahay eh. Diba? Patay sindi yung ilaw, tapos binubuksan yung water faucet, pati yung ref, pinagtripan din. Eh, sabi ko nga, nagugutom yung multo doon. Tapos yung sa triplets, yun talaga legit yun. Kasi sabi ko nga, bata yan. Hindi marunong magsinungaling yan. Kung ano yung nakikita, nararamdaman, naririnig, totoo yun. So, yun, nakakatakot lahat ng mga video ni Nyok Top 5. So anyway, tapos na naman tayo sa pagre-react. Nyok Top 5 scary ghost videos that make you throw your phone. Buti na lang. Yung cellphone ko ito, ginagamit kong pang video record. So make sure na i-subscribe nyo to si Nyok Top 5. Lagi kong sinasabi na hindi kayo magsisisi sa mga video nito. Ang gaganda. Marami namang mga gumagawa ng ghost compilation. Pero si Nyok Top 5 kasi sabi ko nga, pag nag-narrate, napakalinaw. Pag nag-explain din siya, napakalinaw. Kaya talagang madadala ka. So, yun, i-subscribe nyo si Nyok Top 5. At syempre, wag nyo rin akong kalimutan na i-subscribe dito sa aking channel. Like, share, comment, hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking daily upload. So, thank you sa panonood at see you sa susunod na katatakutan.